Also in court, a state lawmaker accused of child abuse and domestic assault. Virginia Delegate Rick Morris had his initial appearance in Suffolk.
But he didn't appear in a courtroom. His attorney appeared instead. 10 on your side's Matt Gregory was there. And Matt, what did Morris's attorney say?
Yeah, like we were just talking about, he did not appear in court today. Nicole Belote represented him in court. And during this initial appearance, she spoke for him, saying he denies all charges and will not consider resigning his seat in the Virginia House of Delegates. Tuesday, Delegate Rick Morris had a date in Suffolk court, but when the time came to go before the judge, Morris's attorney, Nicole Belote, went in his place.
Obviously, as his attorney, I would advise him not to, giving the criminal charges, but I'm sure there will be a point in the future where he will be willing to talk.
With his absence, Delegate Morris's legal team gave us this statement. It says the allegations are, quote, nothing more than distortions, misrepresentations, and lies. Last week, Suffolk police arrested Morris on charges that he abused his stepson while disciplining the boy, and also assaulted the boy's mother, Morris's wife. We asked Belote, why would the family make these claims up?
I expect that all of that will come out at the trial. At this point, I'm not willing to disclose all of that information.
As far as whether or not these charges would lead to the end of the Morris's marriage,
Not sure at this point where things will go with their relationship. A divorce has not been filed at this point.
over the weekend, Virginia House leaders called for Delegate Morris to resign. A group of leaders said the delegate needed time to focus on his family. With Morris not available in court, his attorney answered their request for him.
I appreciate his position and the fact that he intends to continue with his duties, and he takes those duties very seriously, and will continue to do what he needs to do for the citizens.
Morris will be back in court in December for a trial. Now, he still has a protective order against him from his wife. He's not to have any contact with her or the children. Matt Gregory, 10 on your side.